up YouTube? This is my bike check. What we got here, the premium Garrett Reynolds Death Trap, keeping it street, even though we're at the skate park, doesn't matter. We also got Shadow Conspiracy Stem, conspiracy whatever. Got some
Stanley Bridges.
Yep, Stanley Bridges. Got some S&M bars. Got ODI grips. Had them for about 3 days. Moved down. Oh, look at that. It's down. Yeah.
Same size as mine.
What is it? Premium. What? Premium.
Kevlar.
Yeah, premium Kevlar whatever. I got Harrow front hub. Standard.
Alienation run.
What? Yeah. What? Alienation Black Sheep rims. Yeah. What we got here? We got standard Harrow cranks. We got some Odyssey twister pedals. Proper sprocket. Some multicolored chain shit. Up here we've got the premium seat. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, it's premium. Moving out back, we got profile hub. Yeah, it's nice. Got a Crazy Bob tyre. It's actually pretty good. Got my trademark dust cap. Yes. If we turn the bike around this side, got Cheryl Cole sticker. Yes, know about that. It's all about Cheryl. And yeah, that's what else? Oh yeah, shit. I can't remember what my forks are. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh fucking hell. I got my United Squad hub guard.
Your rim.
Huh? Oh yeah. Okay, and I got proper Primo, not bad. Primo rim, 7 series. Got Odyssey
J-Light.
Yeah, J-Light, and I've got a blank peg at the front.
Yes.
It's blank. I know it's blank, but it's good. And yeah, that's about it. Wanna try something stupid?
Oh shit. Bye.